Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today, let's make something through which we can celebrate the mango season as well as Ekadashi. So today, we will be making wonderful Ekadashi special mango firni, which is simply the best dessert for this Ekadashi. Firni is a classical pudding served in variety of flavors in a traditional style during festivals. So let's get started quickly. Here I have taken 1 liter of cow's milk. Cook this milk until it boils once. Keep stirring now and then so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Here I have taken sama rice. This is also known as varai or bhagar. This is not any grain or millet and can be consumed in Ekadashi. To purchase this, I have given the link in the description box below. I have washed this 1/3 cup of sama rice and soaked it in water for 15 minutes. Now you can see our milk has boiled. Now add the sama rice we had soaked. I have drained them well and add it. Do not add any water. Now cook the sama rice until it softens. Keep stirring. If you leave it, the sama rice or milk will stick to the bottom. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box. You can refer it. Here I have taken 2 kesar mangoes. The color and these mangoes are yellow orange and tastes very sweet. You can also use the Alfonso variety. Other mangoes such as badam do not have a bright color and are a little sour. We must not use this, but if you are available with any other known mango similar to Kesar and Alfonso, you can use it. Now cut the mango into small pieces like this. I have cut 3 mangoes here. Now take a mixie jar, add the mango and grind it into pulp. Now let's check. You can see I have ground it into a smooth paste. If few chunks are left, it's fine. It gives a good flavor. And you can see there are no fibrous threads also. So this is done. Let's move to the firni. You can see this is almost done. We will cook it for some more time. This can be served without adding mango pulp also, but let's add in the mango punch this season. After 5 minutes this has thickened. We need this type of consistency. Now add half cup of sugar. Now give it a mix until the sugar melts. You can alter the amount of sugar as per your taste. Now you can see it has been 5 minutes and the sugar has melted. These two have thickened and we need this consistency. After it cools, it will thicken more. Now let it cool complete and turn off the flame. After 45 minutes, the firni has cooled completely and also thickened. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add the mango pulp that we had prepared. Give it a mix. This is a milk sweet and we are going to add mango. So we must cool it completely. Do not add it in warm firni also. You can serve it as it is and also cooled. Traditionally, it is served in a mud glass or cooler. You can see it has got a beautiful saffron color, and with this it is ready. Here our mango firni is ready. Let's place few mango cubes on it and garnish with pistachio flakes. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Ekadashi special mango firni is offered and ready. Try it and let me know how it came out for you. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.